Hello everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Maverick How To. Today we start our first big project here we've had since the Segway villain, and we're getting into a 2025 Polaris RZR XP. The old style just being the XP 1000. This is now known as the RZR XP. It is an Ultimate, and we're going to be doing a part build on it. This is the first video, and we're going to start with the rear panel. These are all Polaris factory parts that we will be putting on. So let's unbox this thing, see what it looks like. We'll get it installed, check it out, and see what you think. Going to do is stick this on. Get the right angle. And just slides right down over that. All right, now we're going to install the panel. Important to do the upper. Here has to go on the inside, and the lower bottom part stays on the outside here. Upper inside, lower outside. Secure the bottom first. There we go. Take the plastic off. Now we do the top brackets here. 1, 2, 3. Tell you what, that's a nice finish. Nothing quite like a factory part. Always fits perfectly. I'm very satisfied with that. Looks great. Well, there you have it. I think it looks pretty good. You couldn't ask for a nicer quality job. The finish on it it's great. Looks awesome, fits nice, airtight. You got a few tiny little gaps here and there, but nothing's gonna cause you a problem. When you're going on the trail, you're getting that dust blowing back in on you. This exact part that was installed can be purchased at Unlimited Cycle Center in Tyrone, Pennsylvania. They are really great to work with and will help you find exactly what you're looking for. Well, thank you everybody for watching. Please like and subscribe. And we have plenty more parts we're going to be installing on this 2025 RZR XP Ultimate. So check it out. See what's going to happen next. You never know. We got all kinds of cool parts here. So I'll see you on the next one.